Hello, my name is Lopez Aguilar Jessica, and today I will tell you about the forecasts of possible climate change for the year 2100 and the possible causes that will make this change possible. Our planet warms up a little every year, but the extent of global warming still depends on us. So the obvious culprit is climate change. The ongoing process of global warming is due to human activities. So as greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise, more recurrences are sure to come with increasing dangerous consequences. So how hot will it really get? So the answer is double. It's going to be hotter, but we don't know how much yet. And that it's in part because the future rise in Earth's temperature is still up to us. To some extent, there is still the possibility, albeit increasingly slim, that we will stop climate change before too much damage is done. Now talk about the impacts of global warming. In general, science thinks that the planet will warm 3.5 to 8 degrees more by the year 2100. So it is worth remembering that the planet has already warmed about 1.5 degrees since Preindustrial times. Which is the most common baseline when it comes to global warming. That 1.5 degrees change has already caused sea levels to rise by 7.5 inches, and the global ice sheet set 1 trillion tons a year. So this has altered global weather patterns, leading to storms, droughts, heat waves, and other more intense natural disasters. So even 1 degree more warming could have devastating effects, rapidly rising seas, erode cities, deadly heat waves, suffocate millions, and species around the world are becoming extinct because they cannot move or adapt quickly enough. For example, the shrinkage of the Arctic sea ice sheet slowed a bit this summer, but it still remains in a precarious state. By July, the extent of the Arctic sea ice flow was shrinking so rapidly, so that it appeared to be heading toward an all-time low. So the multi-year decline began in the early 1980s and then accelerated in the summer 2007. So the health of the ice sheet is not good, says NSIDC Director Mark Cerese, quoted in a story in Mongabay. But now, what are the effects of melting glaciers or rising sea levels? The melting of glaciers causes sea level rise, so which in turn increase coastal erosions and raises the tides as warming air and sea cause more frequent and intense coastal storms, such as hurricanes and typhoons. The question that interests us: how does the melting of glaciers and the loss of sea ice affect humans and wildlife? Industries that depend on purified fisheries will suffer as warming waters change where and when fish spawn. So coastal communities will continue to face disasters that will cost billions of dollars to recover from as the frequencies of flows and the intensity of stormy craze. So people are not the only affected because in the Arctic as sea ice melts, animals like walruses lost their habitat, so and the polar bears spend more time for land forgetting for food, so causing conflict between people and between animals like bears.